He's really on. Brody's on Smash Bros.
Bro, I wish I could join you. Actually, I might be able to.
Yes. Why not?
You wanna try?
Yes.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Do we all want to fight at once, or do we want to take turns doing 1v1s?
What?
I'm just asking.
No, we want to take turns. We don't want to do 3-man.
Okay.
Alright, hello Ben.
I have no idea how to play yet.
A for normal attacks, B for special attacks. Do you have stick jump on?
I think I do.
If you do, you're a fucking loser.
Fire! Get out of here.
Bro, he did the hands off my cock. I can recover whatever I please. I'm Pac-Man. I do what I
Not you, I'm
want.
talking about Ben.
Oh, he's got.
I haven't played the game in over 2 years!
See?
I still lose!
You trash.
Come on, Chris, you want to switch down your,
Oh, fuck off. No way you selected Falcon. Fuck you. Bruh.
That is.
A few more. Just a few more. Wait. No. Do it. Oh, fuck off. I hate fighting Cloud.
Yeah, I know.
it's like every other person in
There is
Smash
no
4.
character that I hate fighting more than Cloud in this game.
You hate fighting all the people because
I hate fighting anybody
it's hard to you.
that counters my stupid playstyle.
Get him.
That makes a goofy sound.
It does. Yeah. Come on! I thought that would save me.
People that say he's the worst are just delusional.
Bro, he's literally the meta. Have you seen Peanut play with him?
Have you seen how fast his smash attacks are with super armor?
You picked freaking Lucas. Shit! Wait! Help me!
No, I can't cover.
No! Get him!
No, I still can't draw a circle. Okay, fine.
It's okay.
Yummy.
I'm not trying to aim for you currently, I'm trying to aim for Chris, because... you know what?
Oh crap! That's crazy how Ben said he doesn't know how to play and that he's not good.
I'll let him get an extra stock on us, so... Come here.
Oh, almost. Oh!
Oh, that shield pokes? I forgot. Ah, fuck.
How do you feel?
I feel sad.
Whoa!
Here.
You stole my food, you dick turd. Die!
Let's go, Crusader.
Crack
Let's
balls intensely-ish. Guys, remember, eating a cat's an opinion. Do it again.
Alright.
Shit! Gotcha!
Oh, that sucks.
No cherry. Whoa! Whoa! The pet
Come
god.
here!
I just saw a hint of the pet god.
I am very scared. Oh my god! Come here!
Not one of them.
For me, I am not as big of a threat as Chris.
Yeah, I know. Ugh. I know.
And I'm gonna die.
Why do you keep doing it so low?
I don't. It's like I spam Y and his cooldown is so...
That's why he's so hyped.
He has
He's not like
literally no
other
fear.
little Max.
I'm not like the other little Max. Goodbye!
Get out of here.
He's going for it again.
Come here! Whoa! It's me in this game, but dude, it's so funny.
No, what? I up you. No, you get out of here.
But that's what I mean. It's fine.
Why?
Ben, go. When he does that, go to the ledge and down smash.
Get out of here.
Okay.
I nearly got level 4.
Okay, that was just nice.
Fuck off.
Stage spike, and just like that, Ben's winning.
Get out.
Consider pick Little Mac.
You should all go Little Mac and just see
Yep.
what happens. Fucking.
You are disgusting.
Okay. You are
This is
littered with filth.
He was the
That's
only
it.
character I actually learned how to do combos with.
It's not hard to do combos with him. You press B. It's B the game.
I'll call my mommy on you. No.
Grizz, you could have let me have that.
I don't want you to, because I'm at risk of dying. Where's near me?
Ah, it seems I was near him. Shit.
Oh. Stop doing there, it's so
It's
cursed.
so funny.
Oh, crud.
I countered that.
Yeah.
That was so mistimed. This is not gonna...
I failed the recovery. I should have air dodge. Oh well.
Oh, crap. Thank goodness you did that smash. That was a hype kill, I'm not gonna lie.
I got you with.
He's off stage right now, and he's dead, see? And he's... alive!
I thought that was gonna be the move that killed me.
You never want to go above Ben.
I don't think I won this.
I don't think I'm living.
Eat this. I hit that.
I saw the startup for it, and then it just like didn't work.
Alright, Ben, come here.
No. It
Die!
still has 2 more. Can't do anything.
See, Ben, this is what I don't understand. Smash Bros does not get updated.
Bro!
Also, how did that not hit me?
Cause they can only hit one person at a time. Just walking them off. We'll do it, Chris. We'll do it.
Ow!
Didn't even hit you.
While watching the Super Mario Brothers Super Show, you're gonna turn into a Goomba.
Don't let him charge that.
Thank you, Ben. You saved me.
Chris is moving. We still gotta lose since Goofy still has another stock.
No, I don't know.
I'll
Chris
beat
Chris can make some comebacks. Oh yeah, like that.
Clap. Clap your hands.
This is bad. You just did so much damage to me.
I could have wafted you and this would have all been over, but nope, you subjected yourself to torture. You have no one to blame but yourself.
No, I'm winning. I'm not tortured. I'm winning.
Yeet.
No.
It is time to perish.
No, I'm not taking another stock off first. What was that? What?
No, I messed that up. That's why it's risky. Oh my god. It just comes from heavy.
Yes! Let's go!
Yeah, I agree. The top platform is just like goofy.
It's so annoying, and it makes me want to die.
I always get stuck on it.
Yeah, me too. Like that's why.
What the fuck?